Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to create the views and for the grade, and also we're going to add the URLs. Let's just jump right here to the classroom views. Here, let's go to the bottom. So here let's create a new view called submissions. This will take a request and course ID. Right? Let's get the user. And let's get the course. So let's go here. And let's get the grades. And the grades will be grade dot objects. We need to import grade here. So classroom models grade. Let's go to the bottom now. So now we can filter by course, and this. So in grades, if you go, you have like submissions, right? So we're going to filter by submission. Submissions, check. I'm gonna go for it. Okay. Submission user. And then here we just pass the user. Okay. Now we pass the context here. The grades. And pass the course too. And render request. This one will add it to the classroom. So we're going to create this. And place there submissions.html. And now we just pass the context. Okay. That's for the submissions, right? That's the user submissions. Now let's create the student submissions. Okay. This one's for the teacher. This one's for the student. This one is for the teacher. Course ID. Sorry if you can hear birds singing in there. Probably. So let's get the course. Paste it here. So now grades will be grade.objects.filter. And now we just pass course. Okay. We just pass the course here. And the context will be the course and the grades. Render request. Classroom. And this one will be student grades.html. And here we just pass the context. Okay, that's for the student submissions. So after we get all the student submissions, we want to grade them, right? So let's create the grade submission request, and then let's take a course ID and the submission ID, right? No, we don't need that. It's a grade ID, not the submission ID. Okay, let's get the user. And we got the course. Now let's get the grade. Just press here, grade, and then the grade ID. Here, grade. Okay. So now let's do the. Let's go to assignment. Let's copy the HTTP response verbatim. Let me go here. Oh, it's here. Okay, oh, we can just copy this thing because we want to check if the person grading is the creator of the course, right? Now here, so if the user is different from the course ID, from the course user, so now if request that method equal post. So first points, let's get the points, right? And we're going to get these points from an input. So let's put points here. We're not creating a form for that. We're just creating an input and getting that. And grade that point will be points. We're updating the grade points here with this one. We're updating the status. We graded. And we are updating the grade that graded by, let me check. Yes. Here. We're updating that one with the user. Then we just save. Then we just redirect the user to student submission. That's how we're gonna name this this view. Student submissions, right? Here we just pass the course. It will be course ID. Okay. Here, this context will be course, and then grade. Here, classroom, then grade submission. That HTML, and then here we pass the comments. Okay, so we got the views for the grade. Let's save. Let's see where the classroom. Okay, now that we got those views, let me leave it like that, open, and then let's open the assignment views. And now let's go to classroom. Let's open it there. What we're going to do, we're going to add those new views. Here we are going to add assignment, right? So let's copy this one, paste it here. Let's put assignment, and then new assignment. Let's import the views. So from assignment that views, let's import the assignment detail, and summation, and from classroom like views, comma, let's import summations, comma, student summations here, and grade summation. Okay. This one will be new assignment, and then here new assignment. Okay, let's copy this one. This one will be the assignment ID. This one will be assignment detail, and then here let's put assignment hyphen detail. Let's copy that one. That's for the assignment detail. Now let's we did the new summation. Let's put here star, right? And this one will be new summation, that one. Okay, and here let's put a start assignment. Okay, so we got the assignment URLs. Let's save. Let's save. Crashing probably. Oh, builds 19. Here we forgot a comma. Save. You forgot a comma somewhere in the 73. Oh, here. So, okay. Okay, so we got the assignment. Now let's go here on the top. Here, let's add the submissions. We can just add, so it just keeps the same like pattern. Okay, yeah, let's just do it here. Submissions, right? Let's copy this one. Let's copy that one, paste it here. This one will be submissions. And then submissions, right here, submissions. Very simple. Goes our database. Now we're getting the that's for the for the student. This one for the teacher. A student submissions. Okay, this one's for the teacher. So it would be student submissions and then student submissions. Remember, that's how we put it. And now the grade. Here, oops. Here, submissions hyphen slash sorry grade D. Let's put grade, and then here let's put grade submission overview, then grade submission. That's for the 3 views that we created: submission and grade submission. Okay. Okay, so we got our submissions done and the grading. We need to start working with the templates now, and we will see that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.